Hey Timmy, happy Sunday. So this is how we are spending the day as people of God that has refused to go to church. It's not as if we refuse, it's just what it is at the moment. But anyways, we woke up feeling hungry this morning. The kids, I won't say myself, but yes, the kids woke up feeling hungry. And the first thing we did this morning was to prepare food for everybody in the house. And this boy, if you don't hold his mouth, he's not going to eat. You have to literally force him, hold him down, tighten him before you can open his mouth. But no, we're not doing that today. So after that was done, I went straight to prepare fried eggs and bread for the rest of us that are in the house. The time and effort we content creators put into doing the things we do, creating content, editing. Some of us even edit on the same day, post on the same day, only for us to get tough. Like, see me, I've even said that is not even going to bother me. I just posted a video about that. I was just thinking loud and I thought to just post it. Maybe I could find two or more persons that can relate to what I was talking about. But and yes, food is ready. I collect one zubu sharp sharp. Make I use that one to follow up first. Make I use that one to step down first. I never even chop this food which anyway. Before I knew it, my husband, he was in one corner. I was telling me that can we do things in this house without even having to use the camera? I'm like, bro, the camera is not even facing you, it's facing me. I tell you now, see, this man not go believe my also if I never make cam. Not like make cam before this man go, they respect me as the content creator for this house. Before I even knew it, he brought the baby to me and the rest was history. So we are preparing coconut rice this afternoon and I'm heading straight to the market to just get small protein. In no time, we got to the market. I got what I wanted to get, and I went straight home to prepare my coconut rice. I didn't show you guys the process because I was charging my phone. I didn't even have the time for that. Because if I say let me start shooting content and be showing you guys the process of what I was cooking, people will not eat in this house today. So I let that slide, and I just went straight into, cooking my food. But let me tell you guys the truth. I actually watched a couple videos on how to prepare coconut rice because this is like my first time, preparing it, and I wanted to be sure of what I was cooking. My daughter, on the other hand, was making her hair outside, so I just, went there to check how far they are gone. She was throwing small, small tantrums. I just went there to give her small warning and told her to behave herself. Otherwise, I will not give her Zobo. She has drank 2 bottles of Zobo on top this every she did do. Anyways, I went back inside to complete what I was cooking, and yeah. When it comes to food, I honestly want to up my cooking game. I have no other, knowledge on cooking aside the one I picked up from my mom and probably the ones I watch online. So I'm thinking maybe I should go to culinary school. I don't even know. I just want to up my cooking game. But yeah, in the meantime, let's be learning online first. Anyways, guys, this my coconut milk it's so creamy, so thick, and I just had to pour everything inside. I was making, I think, 8 cups of rice because they're going to be taking the rest of the food to school tomorrow. I'm not cooking anything tomorrow morning. So that was that for that, and I went straight to cleaning my environment. After that was done, I took something I can sip on while I watch a movie on YouTube. So I'm watching this Wife Market by Kaderi. You guys should watch it. It's very interesting. And by the time I knew it, my daughter's hair was done. Food was also ready. I'm going to rate this for 7 over 10. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.